Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss how to simplify this radical expression square root of 8x raised to the fifth power. And we have choices here. Letter A, 2x cubed square root of 2x. Letter B, 2x squared square root of 2x. Letter C, 3x cubed square root of 2x squared. And letter D, 3x squared square root of 2x cubed. Okay, so we're going to choose which one is the correct answer. So, but before I present the discussion, how to simplify this radical expression, you can pause this video, try to simplify, and choose which one is the correct answer. And then later on, you can play this video, then check if your answer is correct or not. Okay, so this is the simple explanation how we simplify this radical expression square root of 8x raised to the fifth power. So we just apply this law of radicals. Nth root of xy is equal to nth root of x times nth root of y. So what is this law of radicals all about? So all you have to do, if we have two variables in the radicand, then we can separate it. So this will become nth root of x times nth root of y. Okay, so we're going to apply in this radical expression. So we have 8 and x raised to the fifth power. So we can separate this one as square root of 8 times square root of x raised to the fifth power. And then, we are going to simplify one by one here. So, square root of 8. What is the simplified form? So, 8 is not a perfect square. But, we can factor 8 so that one of the factor is the or is a perfect square. So, square root of 8, the factors are 4 and 2. So, will become square root of 4 times 2. 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. And 4 is a perfect square. So, we can simplify this one. How about this square root of x raised to the fifth power? Okay, so to simplify this one, we can apply the law of radicals. Nth root of x raised to n is equal to x. So, what is this law all about? So, all you have to do to simplify this one, if the variable have a exponent here, then we can divide it by the index. So n divide by n. Okay? We divide the exponent by the index n. So what is n divided by n? That is equal to 1. So the exponent of x here is 1. So that is the rule all about. Just copy the radicand and then divide the exponent by the index. Okay? So we are going to apply here. So 5, we are going to divide by the index 2 because this is square root. So the index is 2. So 5 cannot be divided by 2. So we cannot simplify this one. But how to simplify? We are going to factor x raised to the fifth power. And the factor will become x to the fourth power times x to the first power. And notice that 4 is divisible by the index 2. So we can simplify this x raised to the fourth power. Okay, so we are going to separate all. So this become 4x or 4 square root of 4 raised to the 4 times 2 can be written as square root of 4 times square root of 2 times. We can separate also this one. This will become square root of x to the fourth power times square root of x to the first power. Okay, so now we're going to simplify one by one. So here, square root of 4, 4 is a perfect square, so we can simplify. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. How about this one? Square root of 2. So 2 is not a perfect square. Then we cannot simplify this one. Okay, how about this? Square root of x to the fourth power. So 4 now can be divided by the index 2. So what is 4 divided by 2? That is equal to 2. So we're going to get the radicand and divide the exponent by the index. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So this will become x squared. How about square root of x to the first power? So we cannot simplify this one. So we just bring down square root of 2 and square root of x to the first power. So this is not the simplified form because we have 2 square root here. We are going to combine square root of 2 and square root of 1. So this will become, to combine, we have 2 and x combined as radicand. So we have square root of 2x. So the simplified form of this radical expression is 2x squared square root of 2x. Okay, so go back here in our choices. Our answer is 2x squared square root of 2x. Do we have here in our choices 2x squared? So here, letter B, 2x squared square root of 2x. So if you got the correct answer, congratulations. If not, better luck next time. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click like and then subscribe if you're not done yet.